Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to cook a summer potato salad. The ingredients list will be left at the end of the video and also in the description of this video. So thank you for watching and let's start cooking. So what I will do first is peel the potatoes. This recipe is very similar to the one that I made a while back. If you have been following me, you will remember. It was with pasta instead of potatoes. And it's brilliant dinner for the summertime, as there's hardly any cooking involved. Well, once the potatoes are peeled, I'm going to cut them up in cubes. And chuck them in the pot. I will also be adding the eggs to that pot so that they will boil together with the potatoes. And remember, if you're going to do that, make sure that you wash the eggs first. So what's the weather like where you live? It looks like this weekend it could reach 38-40 degrees where I am. Can't wait. Not. Okay, so potatoes there, 4 eggs, a bit of salt, and now I'll fill it with water. Filled with water, now to the stove. Potatoes are on the stove and I'll turn it on full whack and let it boil until the potatoes are soft. And in the meantime, you know what I'm going to do, don't you? That's right. Cheers to you. Well, whilst the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to chop up some onion. Remember, you can use as much or as less as you like. I'm only going to use a couple of slices because it's only 2 of us eating, and I will be eating the whole onion myself. And I'll just chuck it in there onto the bowl, posh bowl, which I'm going to serve everything. Right, next I'll do the same with the tomato, which I previously washed. So I will cut it up. You can cut it up however you like. I like it like this. And I also like my tomatoes. Well, we both like our tomatoes more on the green side. I got these yesterday from the market. I only bought a couple because they don't tend to last very much lately, the tomatoes. I don't know why. Okay, so let's wait for the potatoes and eggs to boil. Alright then, so let's check the potatoes. Yes, potatoes are done, which means that the eggs are done. So I'll turn this off, and what I'll do is take the water out, peel the eggs, and cool down the potatoes, which I'm going to do with cold water. Though you can do it by just leaving them there and waiting an hour, which is not very good, is it? I'd rather cool them down like I did with the pasta. Okay, so I've added the potatoes. These potatoes were different than usual and they overcooked really fast. So now I will put in the onion and tomato, and now I will put in the eggs, which I'll cut them into halves. The eggs are there. Now what I'm going to do is put the 2 tins of tuna and the olives. Then I'm going to add some paprika to the eggs. And later, when I'm ready to serve it, which will be in about half an hour, what I'll do is salt, olive oil and vinegar, and mix it all up, and it's ready to serve. Well, I won't go into much detail today, as you have seen me done this before, but instead of using potatoes, I used pasta. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe. I look forward to reading your comments, and I will be back very soon with another recipe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.